Hi guys, this is Ben Cantrell here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video on the brand new Edge 540 from RC Gadgetz. Some of the key features of this thing: it's got high voltage servos. It comes with all the linkages already preset, aluminum servo arms that are awesome. You're going to be getting some great performance out of these servos. They're all high voltage, like I said. The motor is very, very powerful, especially for a 3-cell setup. Comes with your cooling spinner, so you're not going to worry about the props or the motor overheating. It's got carbon fiber landing gear, very light, very strong. And some of the batteries you'll expect to be using on this are the 2300 to 3000 milliamp 3-cell packs. You're going to be using a 5-channel radio. I'm going to go ahead and open the box here and get this putting stuff out. So as you can see, it's packed up very nice. Go ahead and start with the cowling. Now the cowling is very different from the other airplanes from RC Gadgetz. This is, instead of being plastic, this is totally fiberglass. So it's going to be very light and very strong. Go ahead and set that out. I'm actually going to move my box over here. Very good looking cowling. It comes packaged very well. There doesn't appear to be any scratches or dings. These cowlings do come pre-drilled, so you're not going to have to worry about trying to find that spot where it's perfect. They do all that for you at the factory. It's a great looking cowling. Let's get the rest of the airplane out. Another great thing about this airplane is it comes with a balsa and EPP construction, so it's very light and very strong. The slick that I have is made out of the same construction, and it is very, very strong. All the lights are already installed. The fuse looks great. Like I said, the rudder pull cables are already set up. The linkages are already installed, except for your elevator and rudder, which you have to, once you get those mounted, then you'll do the linkages on those. So there's the fuselage. Everything looks great on it. So let's go ahead and get some wings out. Okay, I got the wing all out of the package. It looks great. Another thing that they've incorporated on these new wings for the Edge is the counterbalance. Now that's going to help the roll rate a ton and also reduce the load on your servos, which being high voltage, you're going to have some powerful ailerons on this airplane. I'll go ahead and get the other wing out. Alright, I got the next wing out, and this one appears to be in just as good a shape. Like I said, the counterbalance linkages are already installed. Another great thing on these is the lights are already throughout the wings too, and they'll also have different colors out on the wingtip, so that you can be able to tell which direction and what orientation you're in while you're flying at night. Go ahead and set that there. Okay, here's the rudder. It is a very big rudder. I'm sure this plane is going to have a ton of tail authority and some great tumble characteristics. So, you just glue this on, attach your pull cables, attach the tail wheel, and your rudder's good to go. So that'll be great. And next is the elevators. So the elevator on this plane is also very big. It just bolts on, very easy. It's got lights already installed in it, and just connect your linkage right there on that already installed horn, and you should be ready to rock and roll with it. Alright, next we'll go ahead and get the landing gear out. Okay, here we have the landing gear. These are very light. They come pre-assembled. Carbon fiber, really strong to complement the really strong landing gear block that the fuselage has. Wheel pants are already on. Wheels roll nice and free. They just bolt onto your fuse with 2 bolts, and you're ready to go with those. So very convenient there. Okay, next up we have the spinner, and the spinner is a cooling spinner, so that means it's got these holes cut into the cone to let air flow through and get to your motor and keep your motor nice and cool. It also comes with this spacer to so that it doesn't move around on your the shaft of your motor. The Edge also comes with a Apc Prop, which are great propellers. This is a 14x7. I believe it's the same one that they run on the slicks. Great prop, lots of pull, and it should complement that 3-cell setup very well. Here we have the bag of parts that this thing comes with. It's got all your servo accessories in case you might need them, extra arms. It's also got some extensions in it, it looks like. We'll go ahead and open that up. Okay, we went ahead and opened up the package here. Looks like we've got some mounting parts for your cowling, Velcro straps for your battery, all your leftover servo accessories that you might need, extra servo arms, extensions. Really, they take great care of you. This is the harness for your lights, so that you'd plug this into your ESC and then all the lights would come to this, and that's how you power on your light system. These are extensions for the wings, so you put these into your receiver and then plug your wings into the extension instead of having to plug them into your receiver. Here we have the racing tips. They appear to be made out of the balsa foam construction as well as the rest of the plane. Very light. Can definitely give those a try. Here are the SFGs for the edge. They look really good. I think these will look great on in the air with this plane. They mount with a wood screw in the end of the wings, and they also come with the spacers right here so that you have good clearance with your wing and you're not worried about rubbing your aileron, putting added stress on the servo that doesn't need to be there. Here we have the wing tube, very light, made of carbon fiber like your big gas airplanes are. Very, very strong. So like I said, this is the brand new Edge from RC Gadgetz. I'm excited to get to fly it, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.